So there it is, guys. That's the Auxito pickup truck tailgate light, PKW CD. Alright guys, today we're going to be installing a product from Auxito Light. This here is the pickup truck tailgate. It is part number PKW CD. I have a little bit of trouble with my truck backing up, being able to see at night. Night vision's not quite good anymore, so I'm hoping that this is going to take care of that. So we're going to go ahead and open this bad boy up. Full disclosure, they did send this to me. I did not pay for this, but I promise I will not be biased. So opening it up, looks like we're very straightforward here. We got some instructions, an extra fuse and some mounting hardware, and then some alcohol wipes in case you're hungry. So this looks extremely straightforward. I'm guessing this is going to go into the trailer hitch, and this is going to be your reverse wire here, because your standard 4-wire doesn't have provisions for that. So it actually looks like really good quality. I wasn't expecting much out of this, guys. I really wasn't. But if this here can give me any light backing up, I'd be ecstatic. So this is what the truck looks like. This is where the strip is going to go. It's right in there. So first step, I'm going to take a screwdriver, get the 2 Phillips screws out, drop that light just down out of place. I don't want to eliminate the light bulbs or anything, just in case this light doesn't work out. I want to be able to zip it off if I need to, but I'm really hoping that it works out good. So let's get the screwdriver, let's get that off. Then we're going to use this alcohol wipe. I'm going to try and refrain from eating it, and I'm going to wipe down the paint with it instead, and we'll see what happens. So guys, I got the light out of the way. Something kind of fun to note here. See this? It's got a little custom nutsert type of deal for the screw. This side doesn't have one. This is not the same style as over there. So when they built this truck, they put this behind it to hold that light into place. This is not what is supposed to be there, like at all. And if you think it was right here, you're wrong, because this has the same mark around it. I had this truck custom ordered from the factory. I'm literally the only person that has worked on this truck or done anything to it. And this is the crap I find behind it. Back to the lights. So now, what I'm going to do, because I'm sure in the instructions it tells you how to do this, I'm going to plug this in, turn on the blinker, see which way this thing goes, and then clean it up, stick it to the truck. So let's see how that's done. Got it on the first try here. That never happens. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this stuck up there. Let's try the right first. Well, that's fun. Now for the one we've all been waiting for. Oh, gotta hook them up first. So we're gonna clean it up first with our tub of towels. So guys, what I typically will do is I'll pull it beyond where it is. And I'm going to pull a little tampoon string here. And then I'll touch it in a few little spots. And then press it in. This is how I lay all graphics and stuff. Guys, now we got to figure out where the red wire goes. Just toss all this back there. What I'm going to do now, guys, we're going to locate reverse, and we have found it. We took it out of park, or sorry, put it in park, and we have no more power. So that's our reverse right there. Probably already tell too because they did it in red. Ooh. So we're gonna open this up. Use my strippers here. Then we give this a poke. Going to drive it up through the center of the wire. That way it parts it. Now we're going to strip this one back. So we got it wrapped around there. We're going to make sure they work, and then I'll throw some solder on it and some tape and see what she looks like. Guys, it's actually brighter than I thought it would be. Very pleasantly surprised here. I have to do something with the wires to clean that all up. I usually hate things like this, guys, and I don't hate that, like, at all. It's see what the blinkers look like. We just activated party mode. Guys, there's party mode. Whoop, whoop. So guys, I'm gonna give this a couple weeks in current configuration and make sure that I still like it after a couple of weeks. But so far I think I'm gonna keep it. This isn't, if I choose to keep it, this isn't gonna stay. And then this center light had a quick connect on it, so I just unplugged that, so I'm not gonna ruin that. So what do we have for tools here? A pair of wire strippers, a wire tester, some electrical tape, a flashlight, and a screw dicky. One other kind of fun fact is I was telling a coworker today about I was going to make this video tonight and do this, and he said, "Oh, what company is it for?" And I said, "It's for Auxito." And he goes, "No shit." He's like, "I buy all of my LEDs from them." So kind of a funny little fact that other people I know use them and trust their product, and I was going to be a naysayer on this one, but how can I be? That's cool. We got one function left, and that's the brake light. Alright guys, I brought out my favorite assistant. Oh, there it is. You gonna go press the brake for me?
Oh, I have to go press the brake.
Oh. Hey, do it again. One more? That's not my favorite feature. Do it a couple more times. Huh. Well, not so in love with that. Oh God, look at that. Seizure! Whoop whoop. You want to see it?
Yeah. Ooh, that's fun. I didn't know that's what you're installing. Ooh, that's cool. That's in okay, that's in reverse. That makes sense. Put your hazards on. See what that does.
It's a strobe show. Did you see how that turns yellow and then red?
Yeah. Oh, because it's telling the drivers behind you to slow down and then stop. Wait, so turn on your hazards. I want to see the strobe show. Ooh, that's cool. That's not at all what I thought you were installing. I really didn't know what you were putting on. Was it hard to hook up?
Huh?
Was it hard to hook up?
No, it's pretty straightforward.
Do you have to leave it in the trailer hitch plugs like that? Is that where it lives?
I'm gonna give it a couple weeks, and if I like it,
you hardwire it?
Then I'll hardwire it in.
So it's just the 4 or 5 prongies right now?
Yeah, and then one for the reverse light.
Cool.
Well guys, that's a wrap on that one. Again, I'm just going to tape up that one wire, but this is pretty much all there is to it. I'll be honest. Can you go turn the hazards off, please? So inside of this thing, the lights aren't really secured inside of this little plastic housing, so they move around quite a bit. To me, it kind of gives it a little bit less of a quality look to it. Is it going to affect the performance? Probably not. But I think had I bought one of these and saw that it was like that, I might have been a little disappointed. But the overall brightness on this, I mean, I can't complain about that. So yeah, I'll let you guys know over the course of the next couple weeks. Of course, I don't drive this thing very often, but when I'm backing it up in the yard and stuff. We'll shoot some more shots here in a little bit. I got a trailer I can back up to over here, and we'll see what it looks like once it gets darker. So that illuminates everything extremely well. In fact, I mean, I'm casting shadows. That's bright. Okay, if nothing else, just for the reverse feature alone, I like this. Let's check out a blinker. Yeah, so that's actually kind of cool, guys. When it turns red for the brake light, I really wish that it did just go right to red. I understand that the yellow is a function to grab your attention before the red. It's like a, hey, look at me type of thing, but I'm not really looking for that. So, I don't know. I might disable the blinker feature on this and keep it for the red and the white light only. Let me know what you guys think of it down in the comments. What should I do with this thing? So guys, thanks for watching Penguin's Garage. Hope this worked for you. Hope somebody's going to get some benefit out of this. If you're looking for I would call this a very fairly priced light. Not going to tell you what the price was if you were to purchase it, but it's very, very reasonable. And getting it through their website is probably a better way to get it than some of these other ones on Amazon. I'm not usually into these things at all, but like I said, it's pretty nice. Again, full disclosure, they did send it to me. I did not pay for it. They're not a sponsor. However, maybe they will be sometime in the future. Only time will tell. I'm just going to try them out for a while. I'll give you guys an update and let you know how it works. Future videos coming up here. The taco. She's getting there. We got some control arm links in it, some other goodies. But y'all gonna have to wait for those videos. They're coming. Thanks for watching another episode of Penguin's Garage. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.